children. So we'll continue with trigonometry part 7 today. So I've got some questions here. Let's do number 1. So we have to prove that. So we take LHS. So we have to prove that sine x minus y into cos x minus y into sine x. So this is equal to, we have to prove that it is minus sine y. Answer is minus sine y. So we'll simplify this one. Sine x minus y. Okay, we have the formula for this. So sine x minus y is sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. So this is the formula of sine x minus y into cos x. Minus cos formula is, we have cos x cos y plus sine x sine y into sine x. Sine x minus y is sine a cos b, sine x cos y minus cos x sine y, and cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sine x sine y. If you open the bracket right over here, if you open the bracket, you get sine x cos x cos y, sine x cos x cos y, minus cos into cos, you get cos square x sine y. Okay, so minus, if you multiply, you get sine x cos x cos y, then you get here minus what you get, sine square x sine y, because sine x into sine x, sine square x into sine y, plus into minus minus. So sine x cos x cos y, sine x cos x cos y, being plus minus you can cancel. So in these two, if you see sine y is common, so if you take minus sine y common, because both are negative, so we get cos square x plus sine square x, and minus sine y into cos square x plus sine square is 1 equal to minus sine y equal to right hand side. So this is good. Okay. Now question number 2. Now question number 2, we have to evaluate cos square pi by 4 plus x minus sine square pi by 4 minus x. So we know the formula, cos square x minus sine square x sine square y is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y. So this is the formula which is applicable here, because it's the form of cos square x minus sine square y. Okay. So if you use this formula, we get cos, this is x, this is y, remember. Okay. So x plus y will be pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x. Okay, then cos pi by 4 plus x, minus will make this sign for plus, so pi by 4 plus x. So here you get pi by 4 plus pi by 4. If you add it, you get pi by 2, and x will get cancelled. And here you get cos pi by 4 will get cancelled, so x plus x will be 2x. Now pi by 2 means 90 degrees, so cos 90 degree is 0 into cos 2x, so the value of this expression is 0. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3, given sine A is equal to 1 by root 5 and cos B is equal to 3 by root over 10. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now to find the value of this one, A plus B, we can take sine A plus B formula. Okay. So sin A plus B is sin A cos B, cos A sin B. So we have to find the value, because A plus B is 45 means both A and B are acute angles, means both these angles lie in the first quadrant, so all ratios are positive. So from sin A we find cos A. Cos A equal to, you know, root over 1 minus sin square A, and from here we find sin B. Sin B is equal to root over 1 minus cos square B. From sin A we find cos A, from cos B we find sin B. So cos A equal to 1 minus 1 by root over 5 whole square, and here sin B equal to 1 minus cos B is 3 by root over 10 and its whole square under root. So 1 minus 1 by 5, you get 1 minus 3 by, actually this is 9 by 10, because 3 square is 9. So here you get, if you take LCM, so 5 is the 5 minus 1 is 4 by 5 root over, and here you get 10, so 1 by 10 root over. So that this equal to, you get 2 by root 5, and this is 1 by root over 10. Okay, now we have all the values. So therefore now we'll take sin A plus B is equal to, okay, you know formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula. So sin A value is 1 by root 5 into cos B is 3 by root 10 plus cos A we got 2 by root 5 into sin B is 1 by root over 10. So this is root over 3 by root over 50, okay, plus this is 2 by root over 50. Okay, so this is, if you add it, you get 5 by root over 50. So this 5 by, you know, root 50 is 25 into 2, so square root of 25 is 5, so you can write as 5 root 2. If you square it, you get, because this 50 is 25 into 2, so 25 root is 5, so 5 will come out, 5 root 2. So 5 cancel, so it is 1 by root 2. Now this equal to sin A plus B equal to, now to remove sin, we have to find A plus B equal to 45 degree, we have to show that. So 1 by root 2 we write in terms of sin, so this is sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2 is sin 45 degree. So therefore, if sin A plus B is sin 45 degree, so therefore you can write sin A plus B is equal to sin 45 degree, implies A plus B is equal to 45 degree. So this is the answer to prove. We have to prove that A plus B equal to 45 degree. Okay, so that is done. Now the next question, question number 4. Now given cos x equal to 4 by 5 and cos y is equal to 12 by 13 and 3 pi by 2 less than xy less than 2 pi, meaning both x and y lie between 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi, meaning in the fourth quadrant. And you know, in fourth quadrant add sugar to coffee means only cos and sec will be positive, remaining ratios will be negative. Okay, so since we have to find the values of cos x plus y and sin x plus y, we need to know the value of cos x cos y and sin x sin y. So we'll find the value of sin x and sin y from here. So therefore sin x equal to, so since x is in the fourth quadrant, sin x will be negative because only cos is positive. So we take minus root over 1 minus cos square x, and here sin y equal to minus root over 1 minus cos square, because fourth quadrant sin are ratio sign is negative there in both cases. Sin x also negative and sin y also negative, because both x, y lie in the third quadrant and sin is negative. So minus root over 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, and here minus root over 1 minus 12 by 13 and its whole square equal to minus, you get 1 minus 16 by 25. Okay, so this will give you minus root over, if you take LCM, 25 minus 16 is 9 by 25, so that is minus 3 by 5 you get here, minus 1 minus 144 by 169, so if you take LCM you get 169 144 is 25 by 169, that is 5 by 13 minus. So we have all the values, so we have to find the value of cos x plus y. So therefore cos x plus y, formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Remember, in case of cos, when it is plus, sin is minus, remember. So cos x is 4 by 5 into cos y is 12 by 13 minus sin x is minus 3 by 5 into sin y is minus 5 by 13. So here 48 by 65, so minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 3 5s are 15 by 65. Okay, so if you take if you subtract here, so since denominators are same, so LCM is 65 only, so 8 minus 5 is 3, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so 33 by 65. So this is the value. Now next is sin x minus y. So sin x minus y, formula is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is equal to, sin x value is minus 3 by 5 into cos y is 12 by 13 minus cos x is 4 by 5 into minus sin y is 5 by 13. So if you multiply here, minus 36 by 65 minus minus plus 20 by 65. If you take LCM 65, minus 36 minus 20 will be minus 16. So okay, you can get this as minus 16 by 65. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5. We have to prove that tan 22 degree plus tan 23 degree plus tan 22 degree tan 23 degree equal to 1. So here what we do is, okay, here two angles are involved, 22 and 23. We know the sum of 22 and 23 to 45 degree, so we take this relation. So therefore 22 degree plus 23 degree equal to 45 degree. We know this relation. So since the ratio involved is tan, so we take tan of both sides. So we take tan 20 degree plus 20 degree equal to tan 45 degree. Now this is in the form of tan A minus B, tan A plus B. So tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B, okay, equal to tan 45 is 1. So if you cross multiply here, you get tan 20 degree plus tan 23 degree equal to 1 minus tan 20 degree tan 23 degree. So since this term is in the LHS, only one is there, so we transpose the term, so we get tan 20 degree plus tan 23 degree plus tan 20 degree tan 23 degree equal to 1. So it is good. Okay, number 5. So now question number 6. Number 6 also we have to prove that tan 70 degree equal to tan 20 degree plus 2 tan 50 degree. Here three angles are involved, but you see, so 70 is the sum of 20 plus 50, so we take here 70 degree equal to 20 degree plus 50 degree. Okay, so since the ratio is tan, so we take tan of both sides. So tan 70 degree equal to tan 20 degree plus 50 degree. Okay, so this implies tan 70 degree is equal to tan A plus B formula once again. So tan A plus tan B, or tan x plus y if we see, then tan x plus tan y, 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, this is a formula. So if you cross multiply, we get tan 70 degree, okay, then minus tan 20 degree, tan 50 degree, tan 70 degree equal to tan 20 degree plus tan 50 degree. Okay. So here you see tan 20 and tan 50 is there, and tan 70 is also there. Now here, because there are two tan 50, so this we have to convert into tan 50. So how we can do that? Here we know 20 plus 7 is 90, so these are complementary angles. Okay, so we use the ratios of complementary angles. So we get tan 70 degree minus tan 20, you can write as 90 degree minus 70 degree into tan 50 degree as it is into tan 70 degree as it is. So here tan 20 degree plus tan 50 degree as it is. So tan 70 is equal to minus first tan 90 minus 70. So 90 minus ratio will change, tan will change to cos 70 degree, okay, into tan 50 degree into tan 70 degree equal to tan 20 degree plus tan 50 degree. So tan 70 degree, so tan cos 70 and tan 70, these are reciprocal ratios, so product is 1, so we get minus tan 50 degree into 1, because cos 70 into tan 70 is 1, equal to tan 20 degree plus tan 50 degree. Now tan 70 degree is equal to, so tan 50 you take it that side, so what you get, tan 20 degree plus tan 50 plus tan 50 will make it 2 tan 50 degree, so it is 2. Okay, tan 20 plus 2 tan 50 degree. Okay, now we take the last question for the day, that is question number 7. Okay, so we have to prove that tan 56 degree equal to cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree and cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree. This type is important. Okay, now here also, here 56 and 11 there. Okay, so you know 56 minus 11 is 45 and tan 45 is 1, so we use this relation. So we take, therefore 56 degree equal to 45 degree plus 11 degree. Okay, because 45 plus 11 is 56 degree. So since tan is there, so we take tan. Okay, we can easily get sin cos later on from tan. So this implies tan 56 degree equal to tan 45 degree plus 11 degree. Okay, now tan 56 degree equal to, so here you can use tan x plus y formula, that is tan x plus tan y 1 minus tan x into tan y. This is the formula. Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y, 1 minus tan x tan y. So tan 56 degree equal to, so here LHS is already there, so we may not write it, tan 56 degree equal to, so we can simplify and get the answer. So tan 45 is 1 plus tan 11 degree, 1 minus tan 45 is 1, so it is tan 11 degree. So we got in terms of tan, but if you look at the question, we have sine and cos. So obviously, so we have to change tan into sine and cos. So 1 plus sine 11 degree by cos 11 degree, 1 minus sine 11 degree by cos 11 degree. So if you take LCM, you get cos 11 degree. So cos into 1 will be cos 11 degree plus sine 11 degree. Here if you take LCM, cos 11 degree, so you get cos 11 degree minus sine 11 degree. So cos 11 get cancelled if the value is not 0. So we get cos 11 degree plus sine 11 degree upon cos 11 degree minus sine 11 degree. So equal to, so this is proved. Okay, we've got tan 56 is equal to cos 11 plus sine 11, cos 11 minus sine 11. Okay, so we'll do more problems in the next class. Okay.